Hey guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how I layer, fill and crumb coat my 3-inch mini cakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. In front of me I have an 8-inch square cake and I'm using a cookie cutter which is 3 inches in diameter to cut out my layers. I'm cutting 4 circles close to the edges and then cut out 4 semicircles on the 2 other sides of the cake. These cake layers will be enough for 2 mini cakes. We will be using 2 circles and 2 semicircles as 3 layers. I'm just going to separate my cake layers, and then if there are any rough edges, I'm just using a knife to cut them out. You can always use the cake scraps to make cake pops out of it. You will end up with 4 circles and 4 semicircles. Now let me show you how I layer and fill the cake. I'm adding a dab of buttercream to my board and then add my 2 semicircles first, adding a layer of buttercream and smooth it out. At this point, you want to add your filling. I'm adding some gummy jelly beans. I'm adding a dab of buttercream on top of the jelly beans, then place my next cake layer, add some more buttercream and more jelly beans. If you're adding a soft filling in the middle of your cakes, make sure to create a border of buttercream around first. Then place your last cake layer upside down and gently press to make sure the cake is straight and not sliding in a direction. Now it's time for the crumb coat. A crumb coat is just a thin layer of buttercream that you apply to the cake to trap all those pesky little crumbs on your cake and that they don't appear into your final layer. I will put some pictures at the end of this video to show you the actual size of this cake when I'm holding it and when it's on its board, decorated. If there are any cakes that is showing, you can always add in some more buttercream, but this crumb coat doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover it with some more buttercream in a final coat. Then we will smooth the top and then pop the cake into the freezer for 10 minutes. And there you have it, how I make my mini cakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this small tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can always find me on Instagram and Facebook at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.